Hello and welcome. Today, we're kicking off an amazing journey into a subject that is literally all around us, shaping our world in ways you probably never even imagined. We're diving into GE4, mathematics in the modern world. So I want you to forget everything you think you know about math, because this is going to be a real adventure.
And I want to give a huge, special welcome to the very people this explainer is for, the brilliant future educators of the Bachelor of Secondary Education program at the Teacher Education Department of Romblon State University, San Fernando campus. We are so excited to be with you right at the start of this incredible new chapter.
Now, you know every great adventure needs an expert guide, right? Well, for this course, you are in fantastic hands. Your professor, who has designed this entire journey for you, is the wonderful Dr. Villarin M. Vibus. Okay, so here's our game plan for this little orientation. We'll start with why this course is so much more than you think. Then we'll map out your path to success. After that, we'll look at the incredible topics we'll cover, go over a few rules of the road, and then your adventure begins. So let's dive right into Section 2, Math's Surprising Adventure. This is where we get to the heart of the why behind this course. And trust me, it's about so much more than just numbers and equations. Let me ask you a question. When you hear the word mathematics, what pops into your head? Is it just long calculations, stressful formulas? If so, I want you to just, for a moment, set all of that aside. This course is here to completely change the way you see math.
And this isn't just my opinion. This comes straight from your course description. It says that math is a source of aesthetics and patterns of nature, and a rich language in itself. Think about that. Math as something beautiful. Math as its own powerful language. That's what we're here to explore.
So what does that look like in the real world? Well, you're going to learn how to spot hidden patterns in the world around you, how to manage your own finances better, and even understand the secret codes that keep our information safe online. You'll see the beauty in geometric designs and learn how math can help us make fair, logical choices as a society. This isn't just theory, it's a toolkit for life, and it's going to make you a much more insightful teacher.
All right, on to our next section, your path to success. Now that we know the why, let's talk about the how. We're going to break down exactly what you need to do to really shine in this course. And think of these as tools, not hurdles.
So, how is your grade calculated? Take a look. It's a really balanced system. Your major exams are 40%, which is important, yes. But look at the rest. A huge 60% of your grade comes from your consistent effort, 30% from your participation in presentations, and another 30% from quizzes and homework. This means your hard work day in and day out really truly matters.
To put it even more simply, your success really just boils down to these 4 things. Keep up with the worksheets, turn in all your assignments, prepare well for the big exams, and most importantly, really dive into the tasks to understand the material deeply. That's it. That's the recipe. All right, now for my favorite part, Section 4, our epic journey ahead. Let's pull out the map and see all the incredible places this course is going to take us. This is where the real fun begins. We're going to start our journey by spending the first 7 weeks just exploring the very nature of mathematics. We're not jumping into complicated formulas right away. Instead, we're building a totally new foundation for how to see the world like a mathematician. So, in this first part of the trip, we'll hunt for amazing patterns like the famous Fibonacci sequence. We'll literally learn how to speak math as a language, master a super practical 4-step method for solving any problem, and tap into the power of clear, logical thinking. Next up, from weeks 7 to 9, we shift gears. We go from understanding math's nature to actually using it as a tool. This first part is all about data management, an incredibly valuable skill to have. This section is all about practical power. You'll learn how to take messy information and organize it, how to use stats to make smarter decisions, and you'll master concepts that help you find the important stuff in a sea of noise. We'll even see how to predict what might happen next using cool tools like linear regression. And for the final stretch of our journey, from week 10 all the way to 18, we get into part 2 of mathematics as a tool. And this is a collection of awesome topics chosen specifically for you as future educators.
And check out these final destinations. We'll be analyzing and even creating geometric designs. We'll crack the code of how arguments are built with formal logic. We'll explore the math of graphs, the stuff that powers social networks, and even wrap our heads around modular arithmetic, which is how clocks work.
So let's just zoom out for a second. Here's the entire semester at a glance. You've got the 2 main parts of our journey, with the midterm exam right in the middle at week 9 and the final exam at week 18. This is your roadmap, so you'll always know where we are and what's coming up next. Okay, every good road trip needs some rules of the road, right? They just make sure the journey is smooth and fair for everybody. So that brings us to our next section, where we'll quickly cover the key classroom policies.
First thing, attendance. The magic number to remember is 11. That's the maximum number of hours you can miss. Honestly, you won't want to miss a thing, so let's try to be there for every step of the adventure together.
Next step, and this one is super important, academic integrity. Honesty is simple. It's about doing your own work and being ethical. Dishonesty is things like cheating, copying and pasting, or misusing AI. As a future teacher, your integrity is everything. So we're gonna start practicing that right here. And here are just a few other quick things. If you need some extra help, Dr. Vibas has consultation hours on Tuesdays and Thursdays from 3 to 5 p.m. Just set up an appointment. Remember that deadlines are deadlines, so please be on time. And of course, phones on silent during class. Most importantly, if you ever have an issue, just talk to Dr. Vibas directly. Communication is everything.
And just like that, we've reached our final section. The orientation is done. We're all here, standing at the start of the trail, and your adventure is officially ready to begin.
So, are you ready? Ready to see the world through a completely new lens? Ready to find the beauty in numbers and the power in patterns? Your journey into the amazing world of modern mathematics starts right now. Thanks for watching, and make sure you check out the next explainer where Dr. Vibas will lead you through your very first lesson. Your adventure is waiting.